Fiber car 3. Fiber car 3. Answer car 3 calling. I'm responding to the waterfront. I copy the notes so we can hold the Larry 2 off for you for now. Okay. Checking with Cheska for a dive team. Are you, do we still have that down there? Yeah, I'm going to go assess the scene. Core 1's making phone calls now to see who we got on the dive team to make the response out. We'll get back to you. Okay. We are on the phone with Chester County right now. You want us to hold off on that, or? Yeah, I'll get back to you. You can hold off for now. Very good. Alright, you can put car 3 on scene. Car 3, okay. Alright, Chester, car 3. Yeah, car 3. At 2490 had requested the dive team as well. We obviously started a fire response, and we also reached out to Chester Station 77 for Friendship dive team. Can you confirm if you have enough members, or we still need 77? I have been in touch with Car 1. I'm standing fast until I hear back from him. He's reaching out to 90 right now, and I'll get back to you shortly. Okay. 90 was unsure of the process. Can you call here by phone? We're having Car 1 call here by phone. Over to Chester Corporate. Go ahead. Station 77 is responding 25 to 30-minute ETA there. Okay, thank you. Chester Car 3 forward. Chester Car 3. Can you just confirm with 77 if they're bringing a boat with them? Hey, I'll inquire. Right. I believe so. Over to Chester Car 3. Okay. Sorry for the delay, sir. 77 is bringing multiple boats, and they are requesting a patch. I'm going to patch you on West Op 1 to the appropriate panel on their end. Okay, I'll switch over. What's their ETA? Stand by, I'll check it on West Option. First, I got to get into it. Sorry. I'm sorry, your message was garbled there, Chester Corporate. Over to Chester Corporate. Okay. 15 minutes. They have one craft with them, and just confirming where you want them to go. Is that going to be the end of North Street, or is it going to be the Flower Street ramp?
You dropped out after 15 minutes, but they can go to Flower Street.
Flower Street, okay. Delaware County 77 command. Delaware County to 77 command on Delaware County West Ops 1. Delaware County to 77 command, Chester 77.
Go ahead for Deputy 77.
Deputy 77. Their staging location for your resources is going to be 2nd and Flower at the Flower Street ramp in Delaware, directly under the Commodore Barry Bridge. Chester Car 3 is also on this channel, and he's the incident commander.
Okay, the 77 units, copy the amended address. Car 3 forward.
Chester Car 3.
Have ladder 82 make the response down here. We're going to need a middle fall.
Forward to ladder 82.
Ladder 82 in row.
Ladder 82, okay. Saul's going to be needed there for Chester Car 3.
Subaru Command, you monitoring West Ops?
Good.
Yeah, I just wanted to verify that you were on my channel and, just give me a heads up when 77's launching on the scene.
Okay.
Ladder 82, Car 3. Okay. Did you need this down North Street or Flower Street? North Street and then enter the parking lot there. Copy that. Car 3. Good. Yeah, 77 on location. Okay, thanks. Ladder 82 on location.
Ladder 82, okay.
Okay, command from Chester W77.
Good.
All right, I just met up with the captain down here. What is our goal right now? You want us to launch our boat and get eyes on this vehicle?
You can launch your boat. We're waiting on our ladder company to cut a fence. I have the wrecker in place, so by the time you get over here, hopefully we're in a position to get the cable out to you.
The gear on board the boat, and I'll notify you when we're about to launch.
Excellent, thanks.
Over to Chester Car 3. Over to Chester Car 3.
Good.
Do you need a 57 unit started down there or no?
I'm sorry, that transmission came in low.
Negative. I'm inquiring if you wanted 5721, the medical examiner, to start or not. I'm not sure if this type of incident required that.
You can start them.
Letter still available.
Battery 82, okay. Power Chester Car 3, just be advised, dispatch an accident, third and panel, auto accident.
Okay, copy. Car 3 is 77. How are we making out?
Three of my divers are just finishing getting suited up. We'll be ready to go on the water inside 10 minutes.
Car 3.
Got it.
Yeah, it looks like they're launched.
Got it.
Car 3 from W77. We're ready to launch. I can have my boat heading upriver to you in 1 minute.
Yeah.
It's on what?
Car 3 to Marine 77. Car 3 to Marine 77.
Starboard at W77 from Chester Car 3.
W77, go ahead.
W77, Chester Car 3 is trying to raise the Marine unit. He's calling you now if you could respond.
Yes, Sam, I'll try to raise him. We're having some difficulty with the portable reception down here.
Perfect. If you have a message, you can relay the fireword. Chester Car 3, go ahead with your message.
We're trying to get their marine unit close to the shoreline to get this cable out to the diver that's already in the water.
Chester Car 3, okay, and I understand you're at the end of Norris Street at the Delaware River. Your 77 can proceed to the end of Norris Street to meet them for the cable.
That's correct. I'm looking at their
Where's the dive side?
Understood. Okay. 7077, meet Chester Car 3 or the wrecker at the end of Norris Street for people.
77.
Over to Chester Car 3.
yeah.
If comms seems to be an issue with that patch, I would suggest the 7-tack channel so you can communicate to each other locally.
Okay, fine. We'll hold off for a second. I'm in contact with the marine now.
Okay, no problem. If you need any assistance, just give us a call here.
Thank you.
Boat 771 to command.
Yeah.
We are currently up a safety diver because that was the primary diver.
I copy.
77-1 from Deputy 77. Do you copy? Copy. When you get a chance, Dennis, I need you to go over to 8-tack 91. It's in the 8-tack zone, 8-tack 91. All right, give it a shot. We're trying to get all the divers. I'm holding the boat right now. Understood.
Chester Car 3 just advised another accident, 5.6 northbound I-95.
Car 3 copy. 3 Alpha should be in service as well.
Receive.
Good one.
Over to Chester Car 3. Just confirming you still have the duty cell. We're going to be passing it to the ME now.
I may not. 9567, if you can pass that number off to her. Copy.
Clobber to Chester, car 3.
Good.
Are you with 09 and talk to the medical examiner?
I'm with 09. He spoke with the MA.
Okay, received. Sector 3 just called. They were see if they can make contact with the MA to tell them where to go.
That's correct. They were made aware.
Sector 42 calls to Clobber.
Proceed.
Yeah, culinary mishap. The company's available.
Okay. Engine 64, engine 71, direct.
Copy, returning available. 71, returning.
Units available, okay.